This 2022 Coachmen Clipper 107 LS is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your booth dinette seating, which can be converted into a bed. Behind this is a queen-size bunk. Moving to the front of the trailer, you'll find the kitchen. Here you have a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, and an electric cooler. In the front, you'll find your second queen-size bunk. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.